Hi, this is Jack with Vacationies, and we're at Dorado, Maroma. And today we're going to learn how to make some drinks and also do a tequila tasting to learn the difference between the various tequilas they have at the resort. Hopefully you enjoy this, and you can use this to make some drinks at your wedding or just hanging around the house.
I'm from Dorado, Maroma. I'm making up for the margarita, smoked margarita. Baby, just shake it. First one. 1 ounce lime juice. Okay. 1.5 tequila. And 1.5 the Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier is much better for triple sale or control. That's it. And option, maybe sugar or the here I make it with nectar de agave. It's only splash. Little bit. Not too much sugar. This is sweet. Okay. Shake it maybe 50, right? Black with salt, or maybe not salt. It's a little bit. This. Perfect. This drink is for signature drink, the palafitos, bungalow palafitos. Let's top drink. This is the signature. This is 1.5 Bruxa mezcal. Top mezcal. This is maybe 2 ounce bottle pineapple juice. This is very easy. Okay. And 1 ounce for the hibiscus juice. Hibiscus flowers, it's natural flowers, natural juice. And little splash for lunches. Little. That's it. Maybe this for the garden, just the flower hibiscus or slit lime. It's similar for the margarita. It's sour. It's perfect for dinners, maybe. Enjoy it.
How are you today?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, today we have the tequila. It's from Mexico. It's from Jalisco. We have the company is a Clase Azul, 100% blue agave. I have this presentation from Silver. Reposado. I have the Reposado tequila. And we have 2 añejo. I have one tequila. This is a white tequila, La Pincha. This is infused tequila. It's a white tequila infused with the pomegranate. Alcohol is going to be about 19% alcohol. And we have the La Crema, the 1921. The La Crema is going to be the alcohol with the 15% alcohol. It's made with the coffee liquor, cream, and cinnamon sugar. So this is going to be for 2 years, and the bourbon berry, the second use. This is from Clase Azul, Reposar. Okay. So you can smell that's perfect for the after lunch, for the after dinner. That's perfect this tequila. Very important. You don't need to take a lime, salt, sangrita. And now I'm gonna serve to the La Pincha, the infused tequila, white tequila, pomegranate, 19% alcohol. This is sweet tequila. And this is the La Crema. I have in presentation this color and pink too. This is a 15% alcohol with the coffee liquor, cream, and cinnamon. for you, sir.